Let me show you how to create a beautiful children's birthday photo shoot using AI. After watching this video, you will be able to create unique and stunning birthday photos for your kids or by yourself. Even if you don't have money for a studio session, you can still create amazing birthday photos for free. I personally created this birthday photo shoot you are seeing on the screen, and trust me, you can do the same thing. Now in this video, I will show you step by step the tools you are going to use and how to do it using just one simple method. All you need to do for me is to share this video so that others can learn too. Now let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and type Pinterest, then open the website. Once you're on Pinterest, go to the search bar and click on it. Now type birthday photo shoot ideas for kids. You can be more specific by typing birthday photo shoot ideas for boys, birthday photo shoot ideas for girls, or even include their age, like birthday photo shoot ideas for 3-year-old boy or a girl. So type whatever fits your child and you will see a lot of ideas appear. As you can see, many creative photo shoot ideas will pop up. Choose any design you like, and once you find the one you love, click on it, tap on the three dots and download the image to your phone. Now, the next thing you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, open it, then click on the plus sign icon. Now upload two images. First, upload your child's picture. Then upload the birthday photo shoot image you downloaded from Pinterest. After that, type this prompt. Use image 1 as primary subject. Maintain the exact identity, facial features, skin tone, hairstyle, and age of the child in image 1. Transform the child into a professional studio photo shoot inspired by image 2, including the same outfit style and background while keeping the child looking directly at the camera. Soft natural lighting, warm tones, clean and polished look, ultra realistic, high detail, 8K resolution, and portrait orientation. So guys, I'm going to leave this prompt in my comment section, so do not worry. And once you're done typing, just click on send and your image will generate. Alright guys, our image is ready and ChatGPT gave me two images to choose. So I'm gonna make my choice and select the one I like. So you can see it's very clear, very nice. You can't even notice that this image is generated. This image is AI and everything came out so perfect. So that's it. To save the image, I have to click on the photo, then click on save, and the image will save directly into my phone. So guys, you don't need to worry anymore. You can use your phone to create your children's birthday photo shoots without even stressing yourself or going to studio. If this video helped you, please share it so others can learn too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.